How to add IDM extension in Google Chrome. So if you want to add IDM extension in Google Chrome, then IDM is a fantastic tool that enhances your downloading experience, allowing you to easily grab files from the internet at lightning fast speeds. So let's start the video. To add the IDM extension for Google Chrome, open up the link given in the video description. It's the official download link from the IDM website. Once you click on that link, it will take you to this kind of interface where you just need to simply scroll down, and here you will get the link, right? Again, another link. So simply click on the link, which is the download link. Once you click on it, it will take you to the extensions or the Chrome Web Store. And under that, here you will have www.internetdownloadmanager.com, and then go with Add to Chrome, which is on the right side. Click on Add to Chrome and then again go with Add Extension. Now, once you've done that, you need to simply close the page, and then you need to go with the upper right, which has that three dots icon. Go with extension, go with manage extensions, and here you will have IDM integration module, right? Simply go with detailed, which is on the left side, and make sure that you have toggle on this option. And here the site access should be on all sites, and the allow in incognito should be enabled. And that's it. That's how you can add the IDM extension in Google Chrome. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.